To use OBS Studio for YouTube videos in 2026, follow this simple setup. First, open OBS Studio on your PC. Go to Settings Arrow Video and set your base resolution to 1920 by 1080 and FPS 230 or 60, depending on your system. Next, go to Settings Arrow Output and set recording format to MP4 or MKV for safe video saving. Choose hardware encoding, NVENC, or AMD if your system supports it for better performance. Go to Settings Arrow Audio and select your microphone and system audio properly. Now create a new scene in the Scenes box. In Sources, click plus and add what you need for your video. Use Display Capture for tutorials or screen videos. Use Game Capture for gameplay videos. Add Video Capture device if you want webcam, facecam. Check Audio Mixer to make sure your voice and system sound are working clearly. Click Start Recording and record your YouTube video. When finished, click Stop Recording. Your video will be saved in the Output folder set in Settings. After recording, you can edit the video using any editor and upload it to YouTube. This is the complete setup to create YouTube videos using OBS Studio in 2026.